Hi, my name is Jason. I'm going to introduce you GPS-based embedded NTP server AP-GTR2000GD. AP-GTR2000GD GPS-based embedded NTP server transmits GPS time information to Linux or MS Windows application server, which requires accurate time information using NTP network time protocol. AP-GTR2000GD supports 2 gigabit Ethernet port and dual power supply for redundancy. For GPS NTP server hardware installation, the most important thing is to find GPS antenna installation position, which provides best GPS SNR signal to noise ratio. Internal built-in Smart Web Manager software of AP-GPS NTP server provides satellite GPS SNR signal to noise gain information. Using displayed GPS SNR gain value by GPS menu click in left side, a user can find reasonable best GPS antenna installation position. This is demonstration of checking GPS SNR gain value using Smart Web Manager software.